In today's fast-paced business environment, competitive intelligence is more vital than ever. Companies need to stay ahead of competitors, and AI is becoming a game-changer in this space. Competitive intelligence teams have never been more critical or more stretched. You have to monitor the market, track competitors, analyze shifts, and package all that insight into something the business can act on. But here's the problem. Competitive intelligence work is still overwhelmingly manual. Analysts spend hours combing through news alerts, sales notes, earnings documents such as call transcripts, financial statements, and third-party research. By the time insights are shared, they're often outdated, or buried in a static deck no one opens. It's not that teams aren't trying, it's that the traditional competitive intelligence workflow can't keep up with the pace of change. And generic AI tools like chatbots? They don't understand your context, workflows, competitive updates, or your internal context library. They hallucinate, miss nuance, and pose security risks that most enterprise teams can't accept. They often raise red flags regarding security and data control. The solution is a purpose-built AI agent. This agent is specially designed to handle the intricacies and demands of competitive intelligence workflows. That's why competitive intelligence needs a different kind of support, an AI agent that's purpose-built for competitive intelligence workflows. One that understands the pace, nuance, and pressure of modern go-to-market teams. Imagine uploading your research sources, analyst reports, sales notes, earnings calls, win-loss data, and tagging them based on relevance. Imagine summarizing a new competitor launch or generating a fresh battle card, not in hours, but in seconds. Imagine insights that aren't buried in a slide deck, but ready to activate across product, marketing, and sales. This is where a purpose-built AI agent changes the game. They don't just automate research, they transform how competitive intelligence works. Faster inputs, sharper outputs, and workflows that align with how go-to-market teams operate today and increase the team productivity by 10 times. Now let's dive into how the AI agent actually works. Here's how it works. You start by uploading and curating your internal and external sources. Things like earnings call transcripts, analyst reports, customer feedback, and win-loss data. You categorize them, rate them, and decide who can see them inside your organization. It's your data, your rules, and unlike generic chat AI, it's never used to train AI models. Once your context library is set, you choose the task at hand. Want a competitor summary? Market trend analysis? Leadership-ready brief? Select the relevant context from pre-configured lists, and your AI agent does the heavy lifting. In seconds, you get structured outputs, side-by-side comparisons, insight reports, strategic summaries, delivered in a clear, collaborative format your team can use right away. Say your head of product needs a readout on a rival's new launch. Instead of hours spent gathering and summarizing, the AI agent generates a one-pager with key moves, differentiators, and likely go-to-market strategy, based on your own data and sources. Or maybe your sales team needs updated objection handling slides for a customer meeting. Imagine a world where competitive intelligence is not just reactive, but proactive. With AI, you can anticipate market shifts, understand competitor strategies in real time, and make data-driven decisions faster than ever before. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. With an AI agent, you feed in the latest sales call notes and competitor chatter, and it returns battle cards tailored to your product, your messaging, and your audience. It's not just faster, it's smarter, more secure, and fully aligned with how competitive intelligence teams actually work. This is the future of competitive intelligence, a dynamic, responsive, and integrated AI agent across go-to-market teams. If you're exploring how AI can support competitive intelligence in your organization, the future of CI workflow is here, so it's time to take a closer look. Learn how an AI agent purpose-built for competitive intelligence works. Visit www.know.ai.